Most people get this wrong when building business credit. They think it works the same as personal credit, or that it builds automatically once they register a business. But here's the truth no one tells you. Business credit only builds when you follow a very specific system, step by step. In this video, you will learn how to build business credit fast in 2026, what actually matters, and how real businesses get approved for funding without using personal credit. Let's get right into it. First, understand what business credit really is. It is a separate credit profile linked to your business name, not your personal identity. So when Alex starts a business, lenders want to see if the business itself is trustworthy, not just Alex personally. Now here's where it gets interesting. Business credit does not start with loans. It starts with structure. Without the right setup, you can do everything else correctly and still get denied. But here's the problem most beginners face. They skip the foundation and jump straight into applying for credit cards or loans. Then they get rejected and assume business credit is impossible. Let's break down the step-by-step system to build business credit fast in 2026. Step 1 is legal business setup. You need a registered business entity like an LLC or corporation. This separates your personal identity from your business identity. If John wants strong business credit, he cannot skip this step. Step 2 is getting an IN from the tax authority. This is like a social security number for your business. It helps lenders identify your company officially. Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake people make at this stage that completely blocks their business credit from growing. Step 3 is opening a business bank account. This is where your business money flows. Lenders want to see real activity, not just paperwork. Step 4 is registering with business credit bureaus. These include agencies that track your company's financial behavior separately from your personal credit. Step 5 is getting starter trade lines. These are small credit accounts with vendors who report your payment history. This is where your credit profile actually begins to grow. Now let's talk real-world example. Alex sets up his ELC, gets an IN, opens a business bank account, and then starts buying basic supplies using vendor accounts that report to credit bureaus. After a few months of consistent payments, his business starts building a real credit profile. So what is the fastest way to build business credit? Step 1 is set up properly from day 1. Step 2 is use vendor accounts that report to credit bureaus. Step 3 is always pay early, not just on time. Step 4 is gradually upgrade from small trade lines to larger credit accounts. So can you really build business credit fast in 2026? Yes, but only if you follow the system instead of shortcuts. Fast does not mean overnight. It means structured and consistent. To wrap it up, business credit is not about luck. It is about setup, consistency, and reporting activity the right way. Once your foundation is strong, funding opportunities become much easier. If this helped you, like the video, comment if you have started your business yet, and subscribe for more simple guides that help you grow smarter in business and finance.